Hello, friends! Today we're working with lesson 8.9, mixed numbers. And before we get into mixed numbers, let's watch a brain pop. A brain pop junior.
You must be hungry, Moby. That's an enormous lunch. Are you really going to drink 3.5 glasses of milk? What are fractions? A fraction is a number that shows parts of a whole. This cake has 4 equal parts. The number of parts are shown in a fraction's denominator. So the denominator, or bottom of the fraction, is 4. One slice has a candle, and the numerator, or top of the fraction, is 1. 1/4 of the slices have candles. 3/4 of the slices do not have candles. Sometimes you count both whole items and parts of other items. What are mixed numbers? A mixed number is a number that shows both wholes and parts of a whole. You have only one whole apple, but you also have half an apple. Right, you have 1.5 apples. To write a mixed number, you write the whole number first. Then you write the fraction right next to it. How many glasses of milk do you have? Let's see, you have 1, 2, 3 full glasses. You also have a half a glass. So you have 3.5 glasses of milk. You can write this as a mixed number.
All right, Moby. We have an idea now of what mixed numbers are. Move myself back down here to the bottom. All right, so I want you to think, or maybe you just learned it in that video, what we use whole numbers to represent. Well, we use whole numbers to represent something that there are whole pieces of and then a fraction of. And fractions we use to represent when something is not a complete whole or less than a whole, right? A mixed number has a whole number part and a fraction part. It represents an amount greater than one whole. So if we're talking about these sandwiches here, we have one whole sandwich and a half of a sandwich, which equals 1.5. And that's how we'd write it as the mixed number. So a mixed number is mixed with a whole number and a fraction. So here we have one whole pie, one whole pie, one whole pie, 5 pieces of pie. Did you hear what I did there? So this would be 3 and 5/8 because there are 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 wholes. So 3 and 5 parts. Whoa, that's an 8. That is an 8. I know. It looks wonky. I know. It's an 8. What is the mixed number that represents the total amount of rhombuses? So if you want to use your whiteboard, you can do that. If you just want to put it on a piece of paper, that would be okay. So what is the mixed number that represents the total amount of rhombuses? Rhombi. Is that right? Rhombuses? Rhombi? See, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our whole number is 4. And what fraction do we have over here? 1 is shaded, and there are 2 total parts. So our mixed number is 4.5. Is that what you wrote? Great. Okay, what is shaded? Go ahead and click pause on the video. Write down your answer. They're trying to trick you. Don't get tricked. And then come back and see if you got it right. Okay, what is shaded? Well, we have one whole and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is our denominator. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/8. 1 whole and 5/8. What is this? It's empty. They tried to trick you. That means nothing. I don't know why they put it on there. So our answer would be 1 5/8. Is that what you got? Yeah, all right. How about this one? Write down what is shaded. Go ahead and press pause. Okay, so we have 1, 2 holes, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is our denominator. How many shaded there? 1, 2, and 1/4. Yeah? All right. You get it. You get it. All right. Now, which mixed number is shown? Write an equation. This is what you have to do in your math book today. Write an equation to represent the mixed number. So the equation is 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1, 2, 3, and 2 are shaded, 2/3 equals 2 and 2/3. Yeah, that's the equation. Okay. Oh, look. Okay, how about you try this one on your own? Press pause, give it a go, come back and see if you got it right. All right, so we have 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1/3 equals 2 and 1/3. Okay. Someone's calling me. Hey, Dr. O'Rourke, I'm in the middle of recording a math video. Can I call you right back in a few minutes? Okay, bye. That's Dr. O'Rourke. She's my friend. All right. Next. Now write an equation that represents the mixed number. Oh, they gave us the number. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Oh, I was going to write plus 2/3, but they gave me 2 more spaces. Oh, I know. I'll write 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3 and 2. Whoa, thirds. My writing got out of control there. Whoops. It's not what I wanted to click. Okay. Anyway. Sorry, that phone call distracted me. How about this one? Go ahead. Hit pause. I'm trying to trick you. Don't get tricked. Hit pause. Answer it. Come back. All right, here we go. We have 1, 2 holes. And 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. This was a trick. Did you fall for it? No, you didn't fall for it. I can't trick you. I try. I can't. Oh, this was a word problem. Verona's family bought 4 whole pies. Then they ate 1 whole. Oh, okay. So yes, word problem. They ate 1 whole pie. So here's her 4 whole pies. They ate 1 and 1/4. Do you know that 1/4 is written as 1/4? If you think about it like quarters and dollars, 1/4 equals 25 cents, and you need 4 of them to make $1. Did you know that? That's why it's called a quarter. And in football, that's why it's called the first quarter, second quarter. Same with basketball, because it's the first out of 4. Hockey doesn't have quarters because they have periods. They only have 3. But since I didn't grow up watching hockey, I often call them. I'm like, which quarter is it? And then I go, oh, wait, hockey only has out of 3, so it's not a quarter. Anyway, that's a side story. They ate 1 whole pie and 1/4 of the other one. The picture above shows what her family has left after dinner. What is the mixed number that represents the total amount of pie left? It would be 2 and 3/4, like we just said. Okay. So they wanted to give us a word problem, eh? All right. So that's the end of what we have to do for today, friends. Go ahead on back to Schoology. Check out what your assignment is. Don't forget to do your exit ticket. As always, if you need help, well, you know where to go. Come back to the live learning link. Good work today. I'll see you soon.